In this video training, I'll be showing you how you can install SSL certificate in DirectAdmin. Okay, so if you want to install SSL in DirectAdmin, this video is for you. Log into your DirectAdmin, and right now I'm logged into my DirectAdmin. On this interface, look for Account Manager and click on SSL Certificates. Click on Get Automatic SSL from Acme provider. Leave this as Let's Encrypt. Leave your private domain and make sure you select everything. Okay, make sure you select everything. Scroll down, and before you do anything, make sure you force SSL from HTTP to HTTPS. So we're going to force that redirect. So I'll pick this and click on Save. And this is going to redirect HTTP, which is the insecure version, to a secured version, HTTPS. So click that Save. After that, click on Save and wait patiently. And certificates and keys saved. Your request will run in the background. Once completed, you'll be notified in the message system. So just click on Close and then come here. Look for your messages area. Okay, I have messages here. Click and wait patiently, and your message should appear here once SSL is installed. So wait patiently for that notice or that message. All right, we just received our message, which is 11:03 p.m. on top here, 11:03. Now let's open it. Let's encrypt request successful for all these domains. All right, and I use this for tutorials. This domain, I use it to teach you how to start a web hosting business. Okay, so keep an eye on the channel. Click on Close. Now open your domain name. So I'll take you back to this domain that I installed, but there was no SSL. I even explained to you how to install this website, WordPress website. Check that video. Now click on Reload, and this notice should go. Now you see it's gone. Connection is now secured, and that's it. That's how you install SSL certificate in DirectAdmin. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Hoping to see you in my next DirectAdmin video. Bye bye.